गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। मेरा नाम है चैतन्य और आज हम देखने वाले हैं एमसीक्यू सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर पार्ट 2। ओके, सो चलो शुरू करते हैं। ये सेकंड पार्ट है। फर्स्ट पार्ट इसका मैंने जस्ट अपलोड कर दिया है। आप अगर कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो आपको बहुत काम में आएगा। ओके, तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, अस्टप इज ए डमी वर्जन ऑफ द डैश मॉड्यूल ऑफ द मॉड्यूल अंडर टेस्टिंग। यस, एंड ऑप्शंस आर super ordinate, option B subordinate, option C coordinate, option number D all of the above. So this is the questions, this is the options, and the correct answer is subordinate. The second question is, a driver is a dummy version of the dash module of the module under testing. Option number A superordinate, option number B subordinate, option number C coordinate, and option number D all of the above. Here are the same options, and here the correct answer is superordinate. Question number 3, dash exercises the system beyond its maximum design load. Options: option number A thread testing, option number B stress testing, option number C back to back testing, and option number D all of the above. Here the correct answer is option number B stress testing. Okay, now the second slide, the question number 4 is, presenting the same test to different versions of the system and compare output is called. Option number A thread testing, option number B stress testing, option number C back to back testing, and option number D all of the above. Here also the options are same, and the correct answer is option number C back to back testing. Now the fifth question is, which of the following is not a part of project plan? Okay, and options are option number A risk management system, option number A risk management plan, option number B personal plan, option number C project monitoring plan, option number D software architecture planning. Now here the correct answer is option number D software architecture planning. The sixth question is, conversion of adjusted function point count to log LOC count is dependent on, and options are option number A team size, option number B project duration, option number C programming language, and option number D course driver. And option number D course drivers. Okay, so here the programming language is the correct answer because it is the conversion of adjusted function point count to LOC count is dependent. Okay, now the seventh question, in COCOMO terminology, a project with a software being strongly coupled to complex hardware and stringent regulations and operating procedure is categorized as. Now the options are option number A organic, option number B semi-detached, option number C embedded, and option number D application 152. Here are the options, and the correct answer is embedded. Now the eighth question is, compilers editor softwares come under which type of software? These are the, and here are the options. Option number A system software, option number B application software, option number C scientific software, and option number D none of the above. Here the correct answer is system software. Now the ninth question is, which of the following is the understanding of software product limitation learning system related problems or change to be done in existing system beforehand, identifying and addressing the impact of project on organization and personal, etc. Now the options are option number A software design, option number B feasibility study, option number C requirements gathering, and option number D system analysis. Now here the answer is system analysis. Now the fourth slide is, and the question number 10 is, which design identifies the software as a system with many components interacting with each other? Option number A architecture design, option number B high level design, option number C detailed design, and option number D both B and C. Option number A is the correct answer. 11th question is, software consists of dash. Option number A set of instruction plus operating procedures, option number B programs plus documentation plus operating procedure, option number C programs plus hardware manuals, and option number D set of programs. And here the correct answer is programs plus documentation plus operating procedures, option number B. Question number 12 is, which is the most important feature of spiral model? Option number A quality management, option number B risk management, option number C performance management, and option number D efficiency management. Now here the correct answer is option number option number B risk management. Now the fifth slide is question number 13. If every requirement stated in the software requirements specialization SRS has only one interpretation, SRS is said to be correct dash. Option number A, unambiguous. Option number B, consistent. Option number C, verifiable. And option number D, none of the above. Here the correct answer is unambiguous. Okay. Now the 14th question is, which is not a step requirement in engineering? Option number A, requirements elicitation. Option number B, requirement analysis. Option number C, requirement design. And option number D, requirements documentation. Now here the correct answer is requirement design. Option number C. Question number 15, FAST stands for. Option number A, functional application specification technique. Option number B, fast application specification technique. Option number C, facilitated application specification technique. And option number D, none of the above. Here the correct answer is facilitated application specification technique. Now the 16th question is, the level at which the software uses scarce resource is. Option number A, reliability. Option number B, efficiency. Option number C, portability. And option number D, all of the above. Here the correct answer is option number B, efficiency. The 17th question is, modifying the software to match changes in the ever-changing environment is called dash. Option number A, adaptive maintenance. Option number B, corrective maintenance. Option number C, perfective maintenance. And option number D, preventive maintenance. Now here the correct answer is adaptive maintenance. That is option number A. Question number 18 is, if every requirement can be checked by a cost-effective process, then the SRS dash. Option number A, verifiable. Option number B, traceable. Option number C, modifiable. And option number D, complete. Here the answer is verifiable. Okay, because we want here the cost effective. Okay, then that's why first we have to verify it. Now the 19th question is, aggregation represents dash. Now the options are, option number A, is a relationship. Option number B, part of relationship. Option number C, composed of relationship. And option number D, none of the above. Now here the answer is option number, now here the option is option number C, composed relationship. Question number 20 is, if P is risk portability, L is loss, then the risk exposure RE is computed as, and options are, option number A, RE is equal to P divided by L. Option number B, RE is equal to P plus L. Option number C, RE is equal to P into L. And option number D is RE is equal to 2 into P into L. Now the correct answer is option number C, RE is equal to P into L. Okay, so here we are completing the 20 questions of software engineering part 2, and now in the next video I'm just complete again software engineering part 3. Okay, so thank you.